I'm Brandon Sank.
And I'm Jacob Sharp.
And we're your hosts for Seniors Tips and Tricks for Freshmen.
And other topics.
Oh, yeah.
So we have...
Alright, tips and tricks. Alright.
Okay, how to make your day go faster. Start off with that
Keaton,
one.
you know how to procrastinate.
Yeah, don't necessarily procrastinate too much. You always want to get your work done before anybody else does, so you can be the person to.
I got a good procrastination tool.
Sweet. Toss it.
That's one.
Learn
Let's
how to
see
do
your
this. Learn how to do that in class. If you can do that, you are an OG as a freshman.
What's your main necessity at school?
Headphones.
Headphones.
Headphones and phone.
Think about it like this. You don't even have to have your earbuds plugged in, just have them like in your pocket. People won't talk to you. Yeah. Unless they're the mean kind of people that
I don't know if people
want to take your earbuds out, don't do that, by the way.
Is there an etiquette in walking in the hallway? Is there something you should and should not do in the hallway?
Slow people go to the right.
Fast people move towards the center.
Don't stop in the middle of the hall and don't make groups of friends in the middle of the hall.
Do's and don'ts of high school.
Yes.
Do's and don'ts and worst moment in high school.
Get a lot of friends. Yeah, make a lot of friends, I guess.
A do, as I say, is actually do your work. Doing your work is half the battle,
Yeah.
and turning it in.
Don't procrastinate.
Bro, we gotta go.
Go
Yeah,
where?
we got.
Class is over.
Yeah, dude, we gotta go.
Go where? Home?
Yeah, home.